Assalamu alaikum. This is Rubel Hossain. This is my Amazon Seller Central dashboard, also you call it Amazon Seller account. Today, I am going to show you how to change your product note, that's mean browse category. If you cannot change your browse category or product category, so today I will show the uh, hidden tactics how to change or how to fix your product category on Amazon. If you follow my steps, you can easily change your Amazon product category, also browse node, which called. So I just first of all, you should take the right browse node. Or you want to list on this item. So this is a magnifier, the lip node, because my item is magnifying glass. So that's why I just uh, select the window for keep the exact note for before when we are going to apply. So here is the note position on to 15, you can see. So if you follow my steps in this video I share, I'm going to share with you, you can change your product category easily. So this is my lip note magnifiers. So now I am going to my Amazon seller dashboard, Amazon seller account. Here we can go help button, help tab. Now we are in help tab. Just click on help tab, right side of your Amazon seller account. Now we are going to get support tab. From get support tab, now we are going selling on Amazon. Just scroll down. Now we are going in this tab. Just click. Now we are going to we are in get support full page. Now we can select which tab is appropriate for us. So products, listing and inventory, this is the perfect for product category update, and also select change product category tab. And also other tab is here, but if you want to change our browse node inside of Amazon Seller Center, this is the best way. Just change product category. Here you can see the category list, so we should select the category from parent category, child category, and then lip node. So I can show the steps. Here I can copy the parent category. I just Control F and find and select. Then now I am going to copy child node position, parent child relationship. Here I can select. You can see the path. Then I can going to copy this one, and now I can Control F5. Also you can see the just select. Also you can see the path. Now we can see another one. Yeah, we can do it. Now select. Now we are going to finally lip node, copy to lip node. We are going to list our item or update our browse node or product category. Yeah, this one. Just select. Now you can see the your total root of the browse node of the product category. You can, after selecting the parent child and lip node relationship, you can see the total path. You can select from this way. Just I can show you the relationship of parent child relationship, and here you can see the updates we are selecting. Now we can just going to next tab, click on next tab, then You can see the some text. We can going to with yes step from here. Here you can show previously in this item in browse node. Now we can switch this browse node. So yes, I just click on yes step. Here I can see open a case regarding this issue. After 1 to 24 hours, Amazon changes automatically our product category, and after 1 to 24 hours, we can get the result on our detail page. We can see the update. So keep the case ID. After 24 hours, after 12 hours, you can just check from your help page, case log page. Here you can see the answers of Amazon. Also, you can receive a mail on Amazon on the case ID regarding this case ID, and definitely you can update, you can change, you can fix your product category. Which category are you want to sell? Just for check, you can check the case log update of the feedback of the Amazon. So hope you understand all the steps how to fix or how to change your browse node or product category from Amazon Seller Center. So see you one next video. Thanks for watching.